Hi guys, welcome to Bashcom Tech Data Science class. Today we'll be talking about a very new topic, which is variables and data type in Python. What are variables? What are they used for? What is their significance? These are the major things we'll be talking about this topic and how to write codes and get into variables in Python. Now, what are variables? Now, variables are the containers for storing data. And there are two main components for variables. Number one, you have to do the command. Number two, there has to be data storing. As I said before, variables are the containers for storing data. Let's, for example, we have a box, and this box you store a data. Let's say there are four. So variables are the concept used in storing data in data science, and they are very, very, very important. Now, how do we write listen to variables in Python? Now, there are three major components you need to have. Number one, you have to have the name for the variable. Number two, you have to have the assign operator. Number three, and you have to have the data. Let's say, for example, we want to write a Python code that says the population of a state of a country is equal to 4. You understand? You have to relate it in this format. You understand? There are three things I said that are important: the data, the assignment operator, and the variable figure. Now let's start. So let's go to our database. Let's click on the Python application. Your PyCharm ID, which is PyCharm. That's what is coming up. If you just take a second. Okay. So how do we write our variables in Python? So the first thing we have to go to file. And file, we want to create a new project. So let's go to Python ID. It's up now. Go to file. On file, go to new project. Let's call our project variable 1. Variable 1. This is the part. Click on create. Yeah. It should take a second. Hold on. So the next thing we'll do after this is now we'll create the variable file. We've already created the variable project. Now let's create the variable file. These are the defaults we're doing this. So we'll go to create our variable. Right click, new variable file. So save the variable file. .py. Yes, you have to put the .py extension. Press enter. Okay, fine. Now we want to write our first variable code. So write the population. Equals to what? So these are our first Python code. So next thing we have to run. So we are assigning the variable population using the assignment operator equal to 1 and data is equal to 4. So let's click on the code. So let it run. Yeah. So you can see here there's some it's not up. So we have to check what is different that we're not doing right. So that's good. So are we doing anything wrong? So you have to cross check. So let me check our slide whether we're doing it wrong. Okay. We say population equals to what? 4. But we have to put the print statement. So let's go back to our IDE. So for a result to come up, you have to put the print statement. Now let's run our script, our Python variable script. So let's go to click on run. Okay, select. So you can see our results. So can see our results here. So you can also change it. Also, you can also change the value. You can just change it to like, let's say 15. Yeah, so change to 15. Yes, so you click on it. So you see, we can say, let's say we want to stationary by we want to use a character. Understand? So let's go. So this one, what we did now is adding a single data. Yes, and I think that's what I just illustrated here. Yes, so I've already done this before. Yes, so you can change that to 15. You can also put a character also. Let's say what's our population, we have many cars or houses. So we can also go to our population. Let's come here. Yes, and so yeah, car. So we can run it now. So now remember, we're doing for what single data. So we're done for figures. We're using what the one that has to do with what alphabets. So variable declaration can be used to store any form of data. Let's say we now want to add multiple data declaration. Let's say, for example, we want to do the print statement that has multiple declaration. To make it easy, I think I just type this. Let me just highlight it. Yes, so we have the print statement, hello world. We have a car. Yes, so let's say we want to do multiple declarations. So what do we do? Go to what one. So what this one shows that, so you can see the hello world print statement, the car population value. So you can use variables to store any form of data, and that's what makes it unique. So as we go further, we'll explain what are the different things you can do with variables. Variables are very important aspect of Python, because data is life and data storage is essential. So you can also even go back to your IDE. Yes, let's say you want to change this one to a house. Yes, let's say you want to change the value to, like, let's say 250. So you can run it now. There are two ways of adding. This is the long method of running the code. You can also come here to the right and click here. So you can see. So thank you all for our class, and see you all in our next class, and have a great day. It's nice having this class with you. Bye.